one initiative long back. Our Chandrasekhar has rightly mentioned. I faced so much of criticism when I used to talk about cell phone. Everybody used to attack me. Here is a man who wants cell phone. At that time, China used to add nearly 1 million or 1 crore cell phones a month. That is how they used to go very fast. Everybody attacked me. Cell phone can give food or water or what? I used to say one thing. Future will tell what I am thinking today. You wait for the future. That is what I used to say. Today, all those who criticized me, all their children are in America or in abroad in IT profession only. Even today, I am telling you, we are all talking quantum. Our Honorable IT Minister is a Stanford graduate and also software computer science graduate from Carnegie Mellon University. He is the right person to lead the state in information technology. I am appealing all of you. This is where I am thinking not today. What another 30, 40 years is going to happen, I will think and lay the foundation for that revolution. That is where we are today for quantum computing. If you see here, the lesson from history is clear. Nations that create technology shape the world. Nations that only adopt technology remain dependent. Quantum gives India a once-in-a-generation chance to move from adoption to creation and from participation to rule-making. Today, the opportunity has come for India to lead the quantum revolution. We should no longer be content with adopting technologies developed elsewhere. We must create new technologies. We must design and build products from India for the world. Amaravati Quantum Valley. If you see, recently I visited Davos. In Davos in 2026, only 2 issues everybody promoted. One is AI, artificial intelligence. Through AI, we are going to produce $1 trillion of economy. This 2026 belongs to AI. There is no doubt about it. Second is green energy. This is where everybody is talking about energy transition. I am very happy. One is Quantum Valley. We are starting here. And also Green Hydrogen Valley. We are establishing. This will be the 2 game changers for the development of Andhra Pradesh. Amaravati Quantum Valley will not only export talent and services. It will develop quantum designs, products, and intellectual property right here in Andhra Pradesh. Quantum is not just another technology. It is the mother of all frontier technologies, powering artificial intelligence, defense, healthcare, space, energy, finance, secure communications, and climate modeling. Quantum is not merely a technological race. It is a strategic competition among nations, shaping national security, economic power, and global trust in the 21st century. Everybody used to talk about Silicon Valley. That is past. Everybody is going to talk about Quantum Valley. That is Amaravati. That is the future. That is how we have to work in that direction. I am very happy. Amaravati is a people capital. Amaravati In mythology, angel's capital. This Amaravati, I am assuring all farmers are here. This is a model for the world. Farmers gave me 33,000 acres of land, nearly 29,000 of farmers without taking up one pie. It is a land pooling scheme. Nowhere in the world it has happened. It has happened only in Amaravati. I really appreciate the farmers of Amaravati for their extraordinary contribution for building the capital. We are making Amaravati one of the best capital. Hyderabad was a brownfield capital. 2 cities, I added one more city. Amaravati is a greenfield capital. You can imagine now, even Silicon Valley is having water problem. Next to Amaravati, if you see after Quantum Valley, anybody is getting any tension, go and have a coffee near Krishna River. All your tensions will go away. That is the beauty of Amaravati. One side beautiful Krishna River and everywhere greenery and also everywhere green energy. Anybody will set up or will live in Amaravati, their lifespan will increase 30-40 years more. That is the beautiful city we are building for tomorrow. If you see here, this is not a intimation. This is a global competition. This vision is possible because of India today at the right leadership. Always I am saying, I have seen so many prime ministers. I worked with so many prime ministers. But no prime minister has understood technology. Only one prime minister who can understand technology, that is Narendra Modi. That is the prime minister's strength. We are fortunate. We are having a right man, right time, right place. That is the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Under his leadership, I am confident, as our Honorable Minister has rightly mentioned, he will give vision. I will adopt his vision. That is the strength of Andhra Pradesh today. He initiated quantum machine. I adopted quantum machine as to come here. One day, Kamakoti telephoned to me. Sir, future is quantum. There is an opportunity. Why can't you think? Immediately I asked him how to go about. Then he told me, sir, TCS, IBM is willing to bring computer is ready, quantum computer in America. They are willing to come. If you approach Honorable Minister and also Secretary, they are willing to come. Immediately I telephoned to Jitendra Singh ji. First time, he thought, can I do it? I assured him, I will get it done. Then he gave some positive signal. Then I approached Abhay Karandekar ji. He also said, okay, it is a good idea, we will follow. Immediately I contacted Principal Scientific Advisor, Sri Ajay Sood ji. All three accepted. Immediately I called TCS, IBM, L&T. I don't know how we are going to do it. This is the mission. Under any circumstances, you have to start. Generally, it took years together to have a consortium. I asked them 1 month time or 2 months time, go and sit and get it done. I am very happy TCS, IBM and L&T, they came to me, yes, we are ready. That is how quantum computer is coming to Andhra Pradesh, to Amaravati. I am assuring you, just now Satyanarayana has rightly mentioned, always I want to do at the earliest. Because for quantum computer there are some limitations. Stimulations or how to know disturbance, so many things. Technically there are some things they have to follow. That's why I asked him, how much time you need? Everybody accepted 26 end, that is December. First quantum computer is going to come to Andhra Pradesh, Amaravati. We are going to operate here.